All right, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we talk about the all-new, brand-new 2022 Volkswagen Golf R. Let's talk about that right now. All right, so the new Golf R is a mixed bag as far as I'm concerned. Looks inoffensive. I wouldn't say it looks great. Doesn't look bad. It's just inoffensive on the outside. The inside, I like the way it looks. More on what I like about it and dislike later. But these blue and black seats, I'm a huge fan of. These look great. They look comfortable. They look sporty. I do like the wheels and tire combo. It's a fun little wheel and tire. I like the blue caliper that's showing through here. And their 7-speed dual clutch is what I would get. I know I'm going to save the manuals guide, but I'm going to tell you why I'd get the DCT in this vehicle, right? If you're going to spend $45,440 on a Golf R, get it with the DCT. Why? You say, well, to take full advantage of the 315 horsepower, 310 foot-pounds of torque, and the all-wheel drive system, it will launch a 0 to 60 time in under 4 seconds. You heard that right. A hot hatch. It does 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. Going to make the Supra standing next to you at the stoplight quiver. I mean, come on, 3.9 seconds in a hot hatch? That's crazy. This thing still gets 30 miles per gallon on the highway, and it's all-wheel drive. So that's why I would get the DCT. Number one, they make one of the best dual clutch outside of maybe getting a PDK, but for a cheaper price, they make one of the best DCTs out there. You have your all-wheel drive. 0 to 60 in 3.9, quarter mile in 12.5. Come on, in this thing, a quarter mile time in 12.5? That's ridiculous. You're going to embarrass a lot of cars. Yeah, it costs $45,000, but look, you get your practicality, and you get your sport, and you get your fuel economy. You kind of get everything in one package. I just wish the outside was a little bit more aggressive for my taste. It's a little bit too subdued for me. I know the Golf R is more grown up, and it's more elegant, and all that kind of fun stuff. It lets me down a little bit on the looks department. And then the inside, like I said, I like the way it looks on the inside. However, if we look at the steering wheel and we look at the interior, everything is a capacitive button. And when you're standing still, capacitive works just fine. But when you're driving and you go to touch something that's capacitive, it doesn't always respond. And sometimes you have to take your eyes off the road. And I think it's a cheap move by Volkswagen. So Volkswagen, when you update the Golf R, please get rid of the capacitive buttons and please put in real buttons. Outside of that, though, the interior looks really nice to me. I really like these seats. I really like the power numbers. I don't like the $45,000 price tag that goes with it, but yeah, let's talk about a couple other things. Number one, weight, 3,360 pounds. Not bad to include all-wheel drive for 3,300 pounds. The size of this thing is really small. So for those that live in like city dimensions, this is going to be really friendly to you. It's only 168.9 inches long, which is really short. It's a very small space. You still get 20 cubic feet behind the back seat though, so you're not lacking in space. You know, like for example, a Civic regular car, like a sedan, you're only going to get like, I don't know, maybe 14 cubic feet of space in its trunk. Maybe not even that. I forgot what it is, but it's not very big. So this has even more than, and the Civic sedan is a lot longer than what this is. So this saves you space, but you still get to fit all your cargo in there. That's nice. The discs that are on this, when I say discs, I mean the brake discs, are pretty big. 14.1 inch vented cross drill discs up front, 12.1 inch just vented discs in the rear. This thing is equipped pretty well. You could probably take it to the track and go around your mountain roads and have a good time. You don't have to worry about snow. You don't have to worry about rain. Everything's good to go. So, you know what I mean? Like, this is pretty nice. So, what do you guys think? Would you guys buy this? The upcoming Civic Type R, the GR Yaris? That one is the wild card, right? The GR Yaris. How expensive is this going to be? I believe it's going to cost around 32 grand. So, 13,000 less. Probably a lot slower than this 0 to 60, but still 12 grand. So, this is the grown-up hot hatch. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Thank you for watching.